Welcome back. Happy Easter to you guys. Hope you are well. We're going to quickly look at OM Mantra, which is trading at 61 cents. At the time of making this video, we can see it's down. It's still down. It did have a little bit of a relief rally, capping at around 70 cents, but since then has moved down another 15%. We can see that, well, actually, JP Mullen, who is, I believe, the founder of the OM Mantra sort of ecosystem, is being super transparent. He's going for a lot of interviews at the moment, is really trying to weave himself out of this and get around it as best as he possibly can. I don't know what's honestly happened. I don't think many people do truly know what's happened, but of course, you know, this is very, very bearish now. If you're holding at $6 plus for this thing, I feel really bad for anyone that got in. And of course, you know, if you didn't get in from many, many years ago, you're now, of course, in a big loss. And it's horrible to see this. This is very much like the Lunar Classic crash that happened before. So now we've lost the $600 million market cap. We can see there's a lot of fear in the market. We've got 32 here. So there's no real bullish buying behavior or any FOMO going on. People are just really waiting to see what happens next. And we can really start to see here that, well, actually for the last week, the market has honestly just been consolidating so heavily sideways. It's so boring. The market is so indecisive. And I do think because of this tension, we will see either a big move to the upside or downside across the board for blockchain and cryptocurrencies soon. I think a lot of that does also depend on what happens from a political stance in the markets at the moment. But yeah, guys, also exciting news. We've launched now our new trading indicator, which is called Trade Wave. If you want to get in on Trade Wave, there's a link down below which will take you there. If you want to start making more money from this market, you can see some beautiful wins here from some of the patrons who are already subscribed and enjoying the indicator and are in my Discord, which is free and down below. So please get yourself in there. Now we can see OM on the 4-hour time frame lost this symmetrical triangle pattern. It's fallen back down to a critical area of, you know, fear. So this is, of course, big support now. And it did go as low as 37 cents. So some people did actually buy in and scoop up that fear, and you'd now be up 65%. But, you know, do I think this is going to go back to some key resistances? We really need to see it go back above $1. At the moment, I think it's very, very hard to say. We're not getting the volume come through. And also when we look at volume across the board, you can see here, if we look at the current April volume, Solana has $40 billion on chain, and Ethereum has $38.45 billion on chain. Now, this is, of course, on decentralized exchanges only, but comparing to other months, we are so far away. I mean, March for Ethereum and Solana had a combined total of what looks like 116 billion or something like that. So 116 billion versus only about 80 billion. And we're, of course, 2/3 through the month. I guess we're sort of on track to kind of have a similar month to March, but we are nowhere near what we saw in January. Look at January, look at that volume. Just Solana and Ethereum had over $300 billion combined. It was one of the biggest months we've ever seen in terms of DEX volume. In fact, it was the biggest we've ever seen in all-time history. You can see that sheer volume there from January 2025, that big spike. That is a god candle of all things combined in the market. So yeah, for sure, it'll be hard to see this recovery. Looking at the daily time frame, OM Mantra is still massively oversold here, as we can see. I mean, clearly it's going to be oversold on that RSI because it's been massively sold, unfortunately, in the wrong ways. But you can also see if people were, you know, maybe you're someone that did get lucky and buy in 2023, you're still up 30x, which to me just seems unbelievable. Anyone that got down here, most likely investors, angels, people that were supporting the floor, yeah, still majorly up. But retail, that would have most likely FOMO'd in this particular section here, and especially Q4 of 2024, have been really hurt by this particular move. So it's really hard to say what's going to happen because you zoom out and the growth actually looks quite nice. But you look at the most recent times, and that is not any ordinary sort of crash. That is a full-on 94% correction, which should not happen in the amount of time that it did. So yeah, really bearish. Of course, that's the guy there on the left-hand side. He is the man who should have had this all in control. Maybe it was just something out of his hands. I really don't know, but it is quite a shame to see this happen in the market. Meanwhile, we've got Bitcoin at 85.4K. So we could see a $90,000 Bitcoin soon again, which would be really nice. And we also have Ethereum at 1.6K. We've got Solana at $140. But yeah, we're nowhere near the prices that we want to see. We're very far off euphoria we're very, very far off anything feeling bullish in this market. What I will say is if you are looking to maximize your journey in this market, you can check out my Patreon down below. As little as $4 per month will get you involved to my private group where you can make more money from your phone, laptop, or wherever you are. So this will give you VIP access to my Discord channel. As you can see, Jacob's Crypto Clan, we're now about 38,000 members strong, 37.6K. But yeah, you're going to get all the juicy stuff. Here are some of the trading signals that people have recently been winning over the last few days. And even in this market, there's still opportunity for everyone. We've got a massive new coin coming soon as well. Wagyu Cash. The contract address will be given to the crypto legends nice and early. So yeah, as you scroll down, you can see, look, the crypto waiver role here is the one that will be for trade wave. So if you want to get this trading indicator, which will help you make buy and sell positions and give you easy buy and sell signals, then you can check out the crypto waiver role here for $25 per month, of course. And yeah, if you want the other ones, it goes down to Crypto Legend. This is where you're going to get like early alphas on meme coins and more. You'll also get the crypto waiver indicator for free. It's a free integration and it will help give you guys, a bit of extra bang for buck with that Crypto Legend package. Currently got 100 members there. So if you are keen to also become one, then please check it out down below if you're serious about these markets. Thanks for watching this video. I really do sincerely hope that, Mantra holders are somehow going to make a recovery out of this. It's not a good thing. It's not a good sight to see, but of course it does show you as well, never be fully allocated to one coin because you never know what might happen. Sometimes diversity is good, but either way, no one wants to be losing money anyway. Do me one small favor and subscribe to the channel, like, comment. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.